love. I love my walking. I love the mountains, the outdoors. Couldn't ask for anything better, really. It might be a simple walk, a small walk, but there's so much that you might not think about, like the history of the place, stories that can be told about them, the flora and the fauna. On top of that, obviously, we get the beautiful views over Windermere. So I think what makes it good is convenient. Starting from the hotel is nice and easy set out for you. You don't need to bring a lot. Weather-wise, doesn't really make a difference as long as the people are prepared for it. We'll go through with it. Alfred Wainwright even mentioned this in one of his quotes, that there's no such thing as a bad weather, only unsuitable gear, unsuitable clothing. So we kind of take that in philosophy here as well. You know, outdoors can still be enjoyed, especially we are in the UK when it's chucking down. So what makes this place very special, this kind of whole area around here, around the resort, is location-wise, you're right on the shore of the biggest lake in England, which when we do our walks around the area, you can always kind of see it. And it's spectacular, especially the higher you go. You don't have to plan anything, you don't have to travel anywhere. You show up, we go, we enjoy the beautiful landscape, we have good chats, we learn something from each other, and we just have a good time. I can't think of anything I'd rather do.